Good morning or good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Ed here, new Bitcoin update on Wednesday, the 21st of June. You can see the CVD chart, perps versus spot traders. This was one of the main reasons for me to be expecting more downside the past weeks. It played out for a very long time. You can see here, yesterday, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, white spot started picking up and quite some volume here also, which led to a big move in Bitcoin. And this move, and first let me explain this chart. This is my long-term view. I was looking at the past weeks and that played out perfectly. This is, that line is where the actual low is on all the other exchanges. There was a weird wick down on Wu, but only on Wu. All the other exchanges have their low over here, perfectly in the green box and bouncing. At that time, however, in this move, I changed my outlook and looked for a bit more down towards 24,000. As it looks now, I was wrong with that, and I should have stuck with my original view, because now it looks to me, if I can catch this, yeah, that we're in this move. We broke above this high. For me, a change of character or a break out of the structure. We broke out of this corrective bull flag. So after that big move up, correction. I always treated it as a correction. And we should be heading up from here and forget about that lower box. When I look in my Elliott wave chart, you can see the following. This is what I showed you. As it looks now, 4 is in place here. Yesterday I showed you that reversal zone. I said I'm looking for a correction from here. During my update yesterday, I said I'm looking for a weak bounce and then look for more downside. I was looking for a move towards here and then more up, with a chance of still going for that move, but I already started looking to the upside. I got surprised by this move. It broke strongly through that supply zone, and yeah, here is your break out of the structure, and also invalidating my A, B, C. So this B is invalidated. And looking at the strength of this move, this is a typical Bitcoin move. Strong breakout, barely any pullbacks. This is a very good sign. And now we're gonna look if we can find some entries, or yeah, well, I'm not a fan of shorting Bitcoin when it's this strong. But yeah, to see where we are heading, I'm taking my Ether chart. It's a bit cleaner to me. It is following also perfectly my plan, which I had from early May. This was the alternative, but it bounced from the green box, and it did reach that supply zone where Bitcoin already broke through yesterday. So, and that goes for many altcoins at the moment. Most of the altcoins didn't break the bearish structure yet. They are bouncing very nicely, but I do have many altcoins now reaching their supply zones, their reversal levels, rejection areas, or resistance areas, where I wanted to look for shorts. And I can see here the following: Ether 1, 2, 3. I do think a bit more down, and then we should see some correction. But for now, it's too early to say how deep we can go back, especially with the crazy moves in Bitcoin. But on the lower time frame, I would expect that also Bitcoin could do a bit more upside. As you can see, I do not have here any important levels. Well, this was, it is, sorry, I would say something like this, and then some sort of correction like that, 27.5. I doubt we go much lower, but after a bit more up than 27.6, something like that, would be a good level to look for continuation to the upside. Have a look on my this one. No, sorry, again this one. This is also a important level around here, resistance level. When I look at my price action indicator, you can see we are now already in this resistance area, supply zone. So yeah, that looks like one more up and then some correction. I doubt we go this low to retest that breakout, but yeah, with the crazy price action in Bitcoin, you never know. For now, I would say a bit, one more up, then some correction, 27.6, 27.5 maybe, and then look for upside again. My target for now would be 32, 33,000 based on the Elliott wave rule, that a leg number 5 is usually going to the 1.27, 1.618 zone. So this zone, which is around 32,500, that would be my target if we manage to continue going to the upside. So be careful shorting and have fun longing. It looks very nice for now, and let's hope that we can continue this. See you tomorrow in a new one.